Good morning students. Today we are going to perform another experiment which is again titration but titration 2. In this we have to perform experiment between Na2CO3 and HCl. Sodium carbonate is taken as a standard solution whose concentration molarity is given as 1/10 and we have to prepare 250 ml solution. For that we have to first prepare standard solution and for that 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate is to be weighed. Let's see, we already weighed 2.65 gram. As you can see, this is 2.65 gram. So let's move to the calculation part. First of all, we have to prepare a standard solution of sodium carbonate and molarity has been given as 1/10 and we have to prepare 250 ml of this solution. See, molarity formula is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. Molarity equals to number of moles may be written as mass upon molar mass multiplied by volume, which has to be in liter. See, molarity has been kept as 1/10, mass is not given but molar mass we can calculate, it is 106. Volume is given 250 ml but it has been converted into liter. When it is solved, finally we get mass equals to 2.65 gram. It means if we dissolve 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate in 250 ml of water, then we are going to get a standard solution of sodium carbonate having molarity 1/10. Now I have taken HCl solution in this burette. इसमें मैंने burette में HCl का solution लिया है जो हमारे पास unknown solution है और उसके बाद जो 2.65 ग्राम हमने लिए थे उससे हमने ये स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन बनाया 250 ml सोडियम कार्बोनेट का। और आप देखना प्रीपेड में मैं पहले से शक कर चुका हूँ और ये है 25 ml और क्या है ये सोडियम कार्बोनेट का स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन। आपको पता है पिछली वीडियो में दिखाया था कि किस तरीके से इसको शक करते हैं। मैंने इसको इसमें टाइट्रेशन फ्लास्क में ले लिया, 25 ml ये है। और अब आप देखना इसमें मुझे कोई इंडिकेटर ऐड करना होगा, तो आज जो हमारे पास इंडिकेटर है वो है ये, इसको कहते हैं मिथाइल ऑरेंज। तो देखना कि इस बार हम कुछ ड्रॉप्स इसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं मिथाइल ऑरेंज की, जो कि इंडिकेटर की तरह बिहेव करेगा। आपने देखा कलर कैसा हो गया, येलोइश। तो ये येलो कलर का, ऑरेंज कलर का हमारे पास ये सॉल्यूशन है जो कि है मिथाइल ऑरेंज का। इसे मैंने ऐड किया स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सोडियम कार्बोनेट में। और अब आप देखना कि मैं इसको टाइट्रेट कर रहा हूँ इसके अगेंस्ट HCl के अननोन सॉल्यूशन के अगेंस्ट। तो आप देखेंगे कि HCl के अननोन सॉल्यूशन के अगेंस्ट जब इसको टाइट्रेट करते हैं तो कलर में कोई चेंज आता है, नहीं आता है, या कब आता है, तो वो आप देखना। मैं धीरे धीरे इसको ऐड कर रहा हूँ। आप देखो कलर आ रहा है और फिर गायब हो जा रहा है। आपने देखा कलर आया और फिर गायब हो गया, फिर आपने देखा कलर आया और फिर गायब हो गया, और अभी परमानेंट कलर आ गया। आपने देखा परमानेंट कलर आ गया। और ये जो परमानेंट कलर आया, जो लाइट पिंक आप देख पा रहे हैं, पिंकिश रेड, ये जो कलर आता है ये कहाँ पे आया, ये रीडिंग हमको नोट करनी है। The end point is obtained at 5. Earlier 50 ml was taken, now 5 ml was further taken. Let's see the observation table. Here we have to create a table which is known as observation. Volume of sodium carbonate taken was 25 ml. Now table has been created. First serial number, then burette reading, initial reading, final reading, and finally difference. Initially when the experiment was performed, it was at 0, burette reading was 0. Then finally end point was obtained at 50. So the difference is 50. Second, when second time experiment was performed, then the initial reading was 50 and now the end point is achieved at 102.0 and difference comes out to be 52. When third time the same experiment is performed, then initial reading is 102 and final reading obtained at 157. Difference is 55. As we do not get the concordant reading, we have to take average. When average was considered, it comes out to be 52.33. Now let's move to this part which is neutralization reaction which is taking place here. See, base sodium carbonate, when treated with HCl, we get sodium chloride along with water and CO2. When molarity equation is applied here, which is A1 M1 V1 equals to A2 M2 V2. If this part is reserved for sodium carbonate, then this part would be for acid. See, A1 is the acidity for sodium carbonate, which is 2. M1 is the molarity which was given in the question as 1 upon 10 volume of sodium carbonate, which was taken as 25 ml. Now, basicity for acid, it is 1 as the acid is HCl, molarity of acid which we have to calculate, and volume of acid which we just took as an average when all the values have been kept here. So, we get M2 equals to 0.095 mole per liter, which is the molarity of this unknown solution. Now, let us move to the strength. Now, we have to find out strength of this unknown solution. The formula says molarity multiplied by molar mass, molarity of acid which is 0.095 just calculated, and molar mass of HCl is 36.5. When we take the product, it comes out to be 3.487 gram per liter. Therefore, strength of the given unknown HCl solution is equals to 3.487 gram per liter. That's what we were asked to calculate in this experiment. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.